What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to demonstrate how to pair a new Powerbeats Pro earbud or charging case with your existing setup. And if you need a replacement earbud or charging case, I've included a link to my store in the description below where you can purchase new earbuds without logging your serial number with Apple. Apple only allows a few warranty transactions for lost or damaged items, so keep that in mind. Now, this is a pretty simple process. The charging case acts as a manager for your Powerbeats Pro earbuds, and resetting the charging case and earbuds will erase any saved Bluetooth preferences on the buds themselves. And it also allows for the replacement buds to be paired with one another, so you can start fresh as if they were new out of the box. Firstly, what you're going to need to do is unpair the headphones with your device. If you're using iOS, this is a simple process of navigating to Bluetooth preference settings located in your settings app. Firstly, what you're going to do is go to your Powerbeats Pro and then forget this device, and then you're going to be prompted to forget the Powerbeats. Go ahead and select OK, and then it'll ask you if you want to remove it from your iCloud account. Go ahead and do that, and this will remove it from any iPhones, iPads, or MacBook Pro. Now you can set your device aside, and now we'll begin the pairing process of a new earbud. For demonstration purposes, I've got a new set of Powerbeats Pros and a replacement earbud. What you're going to want to do is replace the earbud into the case with your existing Powerbeats Pros and charging case. Then you're going to hold this reset button for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you should see a red LED. It's okay. Oh, there we go, it popped. Okay, so now go ahead and shut the case and leave it aside. Now what you're going to do is simply open the case up, if this is an iOS device, and repair it as new. You should see it. Boom. Now they're good to go. Now this process is a little bit different with Android or any other ecosystem. You go into your Bluetooth settings, follow the prompts, and it'll connect. So that's how it's done. I've included a link in the description for replacement cases and earbuds if you guys have lost any, but if you're already at this point, you should be ready to go. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comment section, and I will do my best to give you guys a hand. Thanks for watching.